Do you love how Java like takes over your whole computer? All right, now. Bless me. N54 335 2006. This particular car I'm going to take you over to. The belt runs from the aircon down to the power steering, up and around. Bear in mind there's a electric water pump here because normally that would be the water pump. So I'm going to take you over to the car. You can freeze the video here and just spare yourself the confusion because I have seen, I'm pretty sure over the years, I've seen, one sec. Okay. Over the years, I have seen the belt run from the air conditioning compressor over to the idler and across. Okay, so I've seen it run from here across to here. This car, it runs straight down. Can you see it? From the air conditioning straight down the water pump up to here, around the crank and around that way. Very, very simple. But to clear up the confusion within my own mind, even though I took a photo of this before I undid it, I tried to route the belt the other way and it would not go the other way. Okay, so that's just a little bit about the fan belt. Hope that helps someone. Any other tips or tricks? Yes, so the other tip is, make sure, see the crank, see the bottom left of the crank there? Make sure the belt's not caught on a bolt on the timing case. Make sure you run your finger all the way around and tuck it in because there's a little bolt or something there. So as a professional mechanic, I have that habit to do it naturally, but when I was doing it, I was thinking, oh my goodness, if this was like I was an apprentice, it would be like, why isn't the belt going on? Because though it will appear to be like that, sitting flush on the crank, it will be sitting on a bolt. So make sure you run your finger nicely around it. Hope that helps. Bye.